make sure that you have a really good networking game. You have to network to different people so that you have a good connection, you have a good circle, you can reach out to different people and ask for reference. That's really necessary. I think वो core है यहाँ पे. अगर आपको यहाँ पे आके achieve करना है, succeed करना है, you should have a really good network.
Majority of the jobs, 60% of the jobs are just in the province of Ontario, and like more than 40% of the jobs are in Greater Toronto area jahan pe aap ho. Do you think there is like really high competition? And like because बाकी कंट्रीज में अगर देखा जाए तो इट्स इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, लाइक कहीं ना कहीं लाइक यूएस में लाइक 15-16% शायद बे एरिया में, बाकी 5-10% अदर सिटीज में स्कैटर्ड है. डू यू थिंक देयर इज लाइक वेरी स्टार्क कंपटीशन? एंड क्योंकि आपने अभी रिसेशन में जॉब क्रैक किया है, इट्स अ बिग थिंग, विल टॉक अबाउट दैट लेटर, बट व्हाट अबाउट द जॉब मार्केट?
To be really fair, there is still a lot of struggle if you want to get a job. Currently in Canada, considering how the market is, and again, same cheese, ki supply demand, there's not that much of demand right now, but supply, number of graduate students who are out there to grab new jobs, there are a lot more. And having said that, अगेन मैंने जो कुछ चीजें जो मैं अपनी वीडियो में भी बात करती हूँ कि यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू हैव अ रियली गुड नेटवर्किंग गेम. You have to network to different people so that you have a good connection, you have a good circle, you can reach out to different people and ask for reference. That's really necessary. I think वो core है यहाँ पे. अगर आपको यहाँ पे आके achieve करना है, succeed करना है, you should have a really good network. So that's actually what helped me. So I applied in RBC, obviously through McMaster. McMaster का खुद का एक portal है that caters to co-ops and everything. So I applied in RBC through that. But I also reached out to one of the students who got a full-time job in RBC. And he basically referred me. So I got the opportunity because I think of the referral. And also like as an intern, I don't think so there is that much of scrutiny in terms as compared to like if you're applying as a full-time. As a full-time employee, क्योंकि full-time में they do expect a lot out of you. The competition is really high. So for a single job, for a single posting, there are so many people who are applying. So you should have a niche that cut you from the rest of the crowd out there, right? But for an intern, I think they look out कि okay आपको आता भी है चीजें and you're ready to learn, you're ready to like, you are flexible enough to understand different things, and if they invest in you, you will give them some sort of ROI. So अगर मैं in terms of job market बोलूँ, if you are really good with your skill set, if you have done really good projects, if you have a strong portfolio, still getting a job is not that difficult. Obviously आपको बहुत सारे jobs, बहुत सारी companies में apply करना होगा. अगर मैं अपनी husband की बात करूँ, last year he started looking out for jobs as a full-time employee. He applied to about 250 companies and he got back response from about 20-30 companies. And उसमें से भी some companies will ghost you at the end point पे कि they won't give you any response at all. But having said that, you will land up with some job for sure. Maybe not exactly at the same market value as per if we talk about salary. But you will get a job, like if you're really good with what you do.